So students, now we will be simulating cold formed steel section using ANSYS. So go to preprocessor, element type, add. You choose shell element here, click OK, close it. Then go to material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic, 2E5 0.30, click OK. Then density 7800, OK. And other properties that you can define here is go to non-linear, inelastic, rate independent, misses plasticity, bilinear. You give the yield stress as 250 MPa, click OK, then close this. Now we are ready to simulate the section. So you go to modeling, create, key points, inactive coordinates. So put 0 0 0. Then here you put 25, then apply. Then here also you put 25 and then apply. Then here 0 25 0, apply. Then after that you click here 175 0 0 0. Then you put here 25, apply, 0 200, apply, and 25 200, click OK. So you have created these key points. Now you go to lines, arcs, by end, key points and radius. You create here, apply. This is the center, then click OK. Now here you have to mention the radius of the arc. You mention 25. Okay, so this arc is created. Then similarly you click, you develop the simulation of arc through this end, key points and radius. Click these two key points, click OK, then press the 0.3. Then here you are giving 25. Here you note down that you are mentioning the starting point and the end point, and then you are mentioning the radius of the arc and the center of the curvature. So click OK. So you can see that there are two curves created. You join them by a line. So these lines are joined here. Now plot lines. So this line is getting created. So if you want to libd channel, you can here simulate a libd channel also if you want. Before that we will have the general simulation. So you copy the key point here at these locations, then click apply. So here you can say that along the x direction, let us give here 100. Okay. Now you create the lines here. Now other than this, you can delete the key points which are not necessary. So we'll go to delete, and you delete this key point and this key point, and also this key point and this key point. Now you have only these key points, plot lines. So these lines are not connected with each other, they are separate. Now what you have to do is you go to modeling and create and you copy key point, copy this key point, apply. Along the Z direction you have to give the length of the cold form steel section. So this is a channel section, C section. So here we will give the length as minus 750. Okay. So here you can see that the point 10 is copied and it is shifted here. Now what you have to do is you create a line, straight line like this, click OK. Then now we are going to create the areas. So you go to operate mode, operate, extrude areas along line. Sorry, it is not an area, it is a line along lines. So click these, click apply, select this line. Okay, now it is getting created. Okay, now you can mesh this. So before meshing this you have to create the layup section. So shell element layup add, you give a name, thickness of C section. Here we will give the thickness of whatever thickness you like, you can give. Let me give 3.0 C section at this location. Let me give 4 mm. Here you can top line, click OK. Then now you go to meshing, mesh tool. So here all the properties are selected. First of all, you choose areas here and lines. Choose this. Click OK. So select the element edge length as 25. Then you go to mesh tool. So these are all different areas. Now it has been meshed. Okay. Then what you have to do is you have to go to numbering control, merge items, nodes. Range of coincidence equals 0.1. Apply 0.01. Apply 0.1. Now these areas or these meshes are merged one. Now if you want to see the thickness of the created cold formed section, you can go to plot control, style, size and shape, display of element on. Now you see that the thickness of these cold formed steel plate. If you want to know the thickness, list fixed entities, distance between two nodes. Choose here. Actually there is only one node. See, it is saying it is only one node because there are no two nodes here. One node is there and in one node it is showing you the thickness of the cold formed steel section. So this I change this as cold formed steel section part. Okay, now let us save this file. Save as section.1.db. So I will apply the loads and try to find out the buckling capacity of the cold formed steel.